Stop laughing.
I keep losing my balance as soon as I move.
Hold on, let me get positioned right. Okay, go.
Nope. Your turn.
Alright, let me try.
You're not going to be able to do it. Anytime. Just don't fall.
Oh no, I can't.
So close. Taking the chair for a walk.
Yeah. Alright, one last time because this is hurting my back.
Yeah, the grip's not going to help.
Ah, damn it! So explain what you do.
Go off the wall. 3 feet back.
2, 3. Over. Bend over. Touch your head to the wall.
Put your head against the
Lift the chair.
Can't do it now.
Come on, stand up. Come on.
Just do it. It was easier this one for some reason.
Alright, try it again. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that was like 4, but okay.
No, it wasn't.
Yes,
Just
it was.
step to the side.
Nah, alright.
Look at
Alright, go. Bend over, touch your head to the wall, lift the chair up. Stand up. Come on. I don't understand what you...
You're going to put a hole in the wall.
Alright, let me show you how it's done. I was just supposed to be like this where you actually drag the chair in. That'd be a lot
Same
easier
thing.
than doing that one.
Alright, whatever.
I have smaller feet than you. 1, 2, 3.
Cheater.